Meaning of DOE.
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 DOE. DOE stands for Design of Experiments, which is a statistical method used in research and development to determine cause and effect relationships between variables. This approach involves systematically varying the factors that may affect a process or product and measuring the resulting outcomes. By doing so, researchers can identify which factors have a significant impact on the outcome and optimize the design accordingly. DOE is commonly used in fields such as engineering, manufacturing, and pharmaceuticals. Its benefits include improved efficiency, cost savings, and enhanced product quality.